What's up everyone, Art at Overtake, and today we've got a couple of cool products that we're going to be installing on this GR STI. We have the Max Flow Overtake panel filter and our new Post-MAF hose. Before we unbox these, I want to describe what we're going to be doing today. Now, typically, if you modify and tune your Subaru, you do it in stages. Stage 1 would be a full aftermarket intake and a pro tune. Now, before that, we can do what we call a stage 0.5, which includes the filter and the Post-MAF. Now, no tuning is going to be required on this, and it's going to maximize the flow of your OEM intake system. So we're going to have a more free-flowing Max Flow filter right here, and a Post-MAF hose that doesn't include these ridges. That's going to aid airflow as well. Let's head over the bench, unbox these, and I'll show you what the Overtake units look like. Let's go ahead and take these out of the boxes so you can see what you can expect. We've got a package by card, the Post-MAF hose itself. There's going to be just one unit in black or red, a couple of clamps, and then of course we got to include the installation guide QR code and Overtake sticker. Next, let's pop open the Max Flow filter. You should see another Overtake sticker in there, and then of course the filter itself. Now in this video, we're just going to be installing the filter and the Post-MAF. In a separate video, we'll have Chase or Owen do a bit of a technical deep dive on these and talk about airflow. For now, let's hop over the car and get this into our stock intake system. The really nice thing about the Stage 0.5 kit is it's going to be about the easiest install you're going to do. I'm going to start with doing the Post-MAF, and really it's as easy as moving the hoses here and then loosening the clamps, and the factory unit should slide right off. When you go to throw the Overtake hose on, just make sure the logo is facing the airbox side. You could slide it onto the inlet, whether you have OE or aftermarket, and then right on the box itself. There you go. It's as easy as tightening 2 clamps and you're all done with the Overtake Post-MAF. The next step doesn't even require tools. It's putting the filter in, which is going to entail taking off the MAF wiring, just like that. And then these 2 clips, and you'll have access to the OEM filter that was in here. I assume there's a factory filter in here. It looks like an aftermarket one, and you can see just how clogged and dirty this is. I would say probably 60% of the airflow in this is impeded at this point. So it's time to throw this one out and put the Max Flow on. Now the really nice thing about our unit is it's fully rewashable and reusable. So once it does start getting dirty, you guys can take this out of the car, wash it, let it dry, put it right back in. So in order to install it, just find the logo right here, and you're just going to want to have that on the side facing that Post-MAF, and it should slide right into the airbox. And with that final click, you are all done installing the Overtake Stage 0.5 kit. Now your car is going to breathe a lot easier, and the best part is no tune is required, so you can get out and drive the car right away. If you guys are interested in getting both of these parts, we're going to leave a link in the description, or you can hop on overtakeusa.com. And if you support what we're doing here, please follow us on our social media platforms at OvertakeUSA, and I'll see you guys in the next video.